Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper. BJP leader stay overnight at 1194 slum clusters. In a move to understand the problem faced by the slum dwellers, the top leaders of Delhi unit Bharatiya Janata Party visited slums and juggies and will be spending a night with them, aiming to woo a voter base that has long been a stronghold of the Aam Aadmi Party. According to the BJP, their leaders will stay with a family in different clusters, hear meals, discuss their problems, and seek their suggestions for solutions. For the past few months, Delhi's slums have been at the heart of a quiet but steady outreach by the BJP, marked by visits and overnight stays in the city's sprawling juggies. The BJP is making a push to penetrate his key demographic, which could determine the outcome in 25 of Delhi's 70 assembly constituencies. Estimates suggest that around 2 3 million people live in Delhi's 750 slums, with half of them registered voters, a tenth of the city's total voter base of around 15 million. The assembly constituencies with big base of slum voters are Narela, Adarsh Nagar, Wajirapur Model Town, Rajendra Nagar, Sangam Vihar, Badarpur. तुगलकाबाद, अंबेडकर नगर, सीमापुरी, बदरपुर, त्रिलोकपुरी, कोंडली, ओखला, मोती नगर, मदीपुर, शालीमार बाग, मतियाला, and Kirari. This overnight stay program is part of the Delhi's BJP's ongoing slum expansion campaign running for the past 5 months, under which the party has appointed slum expanders and slum caretakers. Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva, who stayed overnight at Rajiv Camp and Krishna Market, Jhilmil in East Delhi, said the BJP is the first party whose leaders have been directly communicating with the people, especially the youth, in all the Jhuggi clusters in Delhi for the last 5 months, understanding their problems and solutions. He stated that through our workers functioning as Jhuggi Vistarks, we have understood the life and problems of the residents of the Jhuggi clusters. We are participating in their lives, and the upcoming BJP government in Delhi will is their lives through Delhi Urban Shelter Improvement Board, he said. South Delhi BJP MP Ramveer Singh Biduri, who visited a VP camp in Tughlakabad, said that BJP believes in improving, not dismantling the Jhuggi cluster. Our upcoming government will create a separate department to ensure cleanliness in the Jhuggi settlements, he asserted. National General Secretary Dushyant Gautam visited Aram Bagh in Paharganj and claimed that the leadership of BJP, from Jan Sangh founder Pandit Dindayal Upadhyay to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has always been dedicated to the principles of Antyodaya. The BJP government that we will form in Delhi in February 2025 will serve the last person living in Jhuggi with the spirit of Antyodaya, he said. Leader of opposition in Delhi Assembly Virendra Gupta visited Badali industrial area and spent his night with the slum dwellers of the area. He said that they have not only committed with our Juggi residents for votes but also to bring about a change in their family life and provide equality quality education to their family life and provide quality education to their children. Northwest Delhi MP Yogendra Chandolia visited HMB Juggi in West Delhi. MP Kamaljit Serawat visited Matiala Goyal Dairy. Chandni Chowk MP Praveen Khandelal visited Sri Ram Chowk in Wazirapur industrial area. And New Delhi MP Bansuri Swaraj visited Bindusar camp in Greater Kailash. Senior BJP leader Kailash Gehlot visited the CISF camp in Bajwashan, and MLA Abhay Verma visited the Harijan Basti Sonia camp Mandavali. Thank you guys for watching this. Thank you.